with Serbajadi. Today, we have Flower Booster product. It is ready to use, non-toxic, and specially formulated to all flowering plants. So, here we have helianthus or sunflower plant. Spray on the soil surface of the plant. And don't forget to spray all over the leaf part. Lastly, we have morning glory plant. Spray all over the plant and avoid from spraying at the flower parts of the plants.
We are done. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow our YouTube channel, Serbajadi Gardening. Always think gardening, think Serbajadi, grow joy.